DT A200 Anesthesia Workstation Installation Guide. Installation Preparation. Unpacking. Packing list. Take out the accessories. Accessory introduction. Anesthesia main unit. Isoflurane vaporizer. Bellows assembly. Pressure reducer. Reusable calcium lime canister. Calcium lime. Oxygen hose. Waste gas scavenging canister. Waste gas scavenging hose. Non-rebreathing circuit. 2 circuit hoses. Endotracheal tube. Breathing bags. Accessory pack. Screws and installation tools. Power cord. Start installation. Install the column. Take out the screws from the accessory pack. Take out the column. The side with 4 holes should face upwards. The narrow side should face forward. Use 4 long screws to secure the column to the base. Install the main unit. Take out the main unit. Insert the main unit into the column. Note: this step requires 2 people to cooperate. Use 4 short screws to secure the main unit to the column. Install the bellows assembly. Install the folding bellows assembly onto the main unit. Ensure the bottom is firmly secured. The side of the bellows housing with numbers should face forward. Align with the slot, insert, and then turn clockwise to tighten. Install the calcium lime canister. Align the calcium lime canister with the slot, insert, and turn clockwise to tighten. Note: before official use, you need to fill the canister with calcium lime. After installation, check if it is parallel and secure. Install the vaporizer. Take out the vaporizer. Align with the port and insert. Press down the handle and rotate it 90 degrees clockwise to lock. To remove, rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise and the handle will pop up automatically. Install the waste gas canister. Take out the waste gas canister. Install the waste gas canister bracket on the front or back of the column according to your needs. Tighten the screws. Place the waste gas canister in the bracket. Connect one end of the waste gas hose to the canister and the other end to the main unit's waste gas port. Install the oxygen hose. Connect one end of the oxygen hose to the main unit's gas inlet and tighten the connector by hand. Take out the pressure reducer and attach the knob. Tilt the pressure gauge by 30 degrees for easier viewing by the veterinarian during work. Connect to the oxygen cylinder. Use a wrench to tighten the nut. Connect the other end of the oxygen hose to the pressure reducer. Install the circuit hoses. Insert the two connectors on one end of the circuit hose into the corresponding ports. Connect the other end to the endotracheal tube or mask. Install the breathing bag. Instrument introduction. The gas source pressure should be adjusted to 0.2 to 0.3 MPa and must not exceed 0.6 MPa. If the gas pressure exceeds 0.6 MPa, the safety protection mechanism inside the main unit will automatically release the pressure. This is the oxygen flow meter. Gas source pressure gauge. You can check the gas source pressure by reading the black font on the gauge. Oxygen flow adjustment knob. Adjust the oxygen flow according to the actual situation. Vaporizer. Adjust the concentration according to the actual situation. Anesthetic agent filling port. You can check the remaining anesthetic agent level here. Oxygen flush button. Normally not used. In special situations, a short press can quickly flush with oxygen to replace the anesthetic gas in the animal's body. Note: do not press and hold, as it may cause injury. This button switches between rebreathing and non-rebreathing direct flow circuits. Bellows and folding basket. Manual or mechanical control switch. In rebreathing circuit mode, there are two states, manual and mechanical. Manual mode, mechanical mode. Manual mode corresponds to the breathing bag. Mechanical mode corresponds to the bellows. APL, adjustable pressure limiting, airway pressure control valve. In manual mode, this controls the airway pressure. Airway pressure gauge, for real-time monitoring of the animal's airway pressure. Inspiratory port. Expiratory port. There are sensors inside. Do not poke the sensors with hard objects during installation. Breathing bag port. Carbon dioxide absorber canister can be filled with soda lime or calcium lime. Use only one type. Soda lime turns white during use. Calcium lime turns pink or light purple. Ventilator power button. Power interface. Ethernet port. USB port. Oxygen concentration sensor port. RS-232 spare port. Carbon dioxide and AG. Anesthetic gas module port. Turbine filter screen. Needs to be replaced after a period of use. Lithium battery compartment. Waste gas scavenging port. If conditions permit, the waste gas can be vented outdoors. Connecting to computer. Power on. System self-test. Connect the ventilator's network cable to the computer. Right-click on Network. Open Network Settings. Change adapter options. Find the network corresponding to the ventilator. Click on Properties. Double-click on IPv4. Set the IP address. Double-click to open the ventilator software. After Waiting for Connection pops up, click Settings on the ventilator. Click Connect. Click Start, and the ventilator will begin to work. If using inspiratory hold, you need to click here on the right side. After the screen flashes once, it will start the breath hold. It can also be ended early. If you need to change the duration of the breath hold, click Settings. Change the time here. For more operations, please refer to the product user manual.